Hey Team Remix, I know over the last few days it's been increasingly difficult to reach your fitness goals, to get exercise in, and to just stay motivated. I know a lot of you are working from home, and to be honest with you, the situation has forced me to work from home as well. Those same gyms, those same studios, those same recreational centers where I usually would train people have now closed down and has forced me to pivot my business and pivot the way I train my clients. So over the next few weeks, what I'll be doing is I'll be putting out workout videos that you could do from home, audio workouts that you can just listen to, in hopes that this will keep you motivated, to keep you going during these times. I've actually converted one of my rooms in my home into a film studio, into a workout studio. It isn't much. It actually is a very small room, but I think it will go to show you that you don't need a lot of space to get in a good workout. So starting tomorrow, Monday, the first set of workouts will be on YouTube. The first set of audio workouts will be on the Remix My Fitness podcast. So if you'd like to subscribe, go to YouTube, Remix My Fitness, go to your podcast app, Remix My Fitness, so that you don't miss the first workout. I know during these strange and difficult times, it's easy to give up on our fitness goals, to say that we're going to do it later or we'll wait until this passes. But I don't want you to do that. I want you to continue on. I want you to start. Because believe it or not, this is the fun part. Figuring this all out, figuring out what's going to work for you. Nothing is ever the same. We're going to have bumps along the way, whether we have a gym or not. So please keep forging on, and I will help get you there. So the first set of videos, like I said, come out tomorrow. The first podcast comes out tomorrow. So please subscribe, follow, and work out. So until next time, set some goals, challenge yourself, and don't forget to have fun. Peace.